Realize that by simply changing your energy and going from I think I can to I know I can, it's going to play a long-lasting effect on the way people see you, and as well, you'll be raising your confidence and ambitions the more and more you do it. What is manifesting? I'm sure a lot of us have heard about it. Some people think of manifesting as a theory because they think you demand the universe for something and it magically just gives it to you. But that's not the case at all. Manifesting is a real thing that real people do and is something you can use to achieve anything you really desire. So what is manifesting exactly? Manifesting is when you get back the energy you gave out to the world, being controlled by the use of your own energy. All manifesting is a mind trick. You could either know something or you don't know it. Common sense. But all humans are not perfect. We don't know everything about our next job or our future goals. But if you change your energy and confidence to make it look like you did know every single thing about that next job interview instead of looking nervous and not at your best self, then think of how much more likely you would land that job, simply for having more positive energy. If I'm trying to be a music artist, and I tell someone I'm a music artist, as long as they believe me, I'm now a music artist to that person. But if I said I'm trying to be a music artist, then I told that person I'm not a music artist, I'm trying to be a music artist, and if they compare the competition rate of being a music artist, they're more than likely going to think I won't make it and I'm not actually a music artist to that person now. And the more you did that, is the more likely the people you may think you're not actually an artist. So realize that by simply changing your energy and going from I think I can to I know I can, it's going to play a long-lasting effect on the way people see you, and as well, you'll be raising your confidence and ambitions the more and more you do it.